Hi, my name is Mengnan Wang, and today I will introduce my sentiment analysis project today. So this project is about to build and train a model that can recognize review text, whether it's positive or negative. So first of all, we need to upload our original file on this file to domain sentiment and data unzip folder. So we also can, after we run this code, we also can see the folders right there, and all the unzipped folders right here. So we also can check the name of each unzipped file. And then we need to read the unzipped file, each line, and put those content into a data frame. So I wrote a definition here. So we need to first find the index of each tag, and then by extract all the contents under the each tag by using the index +1. So after we extract all the content under each tag, we can put those information into a data frame. So after we did that, we can see the data frame looks like this one, and that's we can check that each column has correct information. And after that, we're going to drop the unrelated columns in the data set. And after we're doing that, we only have 6 columns left. And then we're going to concat all the negative and the positive data frame into one. And so we finally got 8,000 rows and 6 column data frame, and that's the data set we're going to use to train our model. And then we're going to clean our data set. So we firstly drop all the duplicated rows in the review text column. And after that, we only have 7,811 rows left. And then we're going to disrupting the order of the data frame. And I also checked whether the data set has any null value. And it looks like there's null value in our data set. And after that, we need to change our data type of the rating column to the float. And then we can visualize the distribution of the rating column. And as we can see the chart right here, and we can see the majority of the review is distributed on the 1 score and the 5 score. And we also can check the unique value of each column, and it shows right there. And then we also can check the total value count of the rating columns. So like we can see there are 2,839 values under the score 5. And then after we understand our data, we can set the rating score under the 3 and set it as a negative review, and we label that as a 0. And then any rating number is above 3, we can call that is the positive review, and we'll label that as 1. So after that, we can check our data frame again, and as we can see, like in the rating column, then all the value is either 0 or 1. And then we can count the word number of review text column. And after that, we add one more column in the data frame, and we can see like each review, how many words of each review. And then we visualize the word count column, and we can see that people usually write more words on the negative review. Then we're going to focus on the review text column. Before that, we need to import all the necessary packages. And then we're going to see our stop words list. And then we need to clean our review text data. So first of all, we need to remove all the emojis in the review. So this is a function that we're gonna remove all the emojis. And next, we need to lowercase all the text in the review, and also remove the punctuation, URL, and email address. And that is not helping for the data training. So we need to remove all the unnecessary information. And we need also remove the extra space in the text review column. And then we're gonna tokenize all the text if the text is not in the stop words. And after that, we also need to limitize all the text. And then we can put all that text into a lim review list. And then this function can return this list. So after we clean the review text column, and we can count the word again. And we can see that after we clean our data, the words of each review is reduced. And next, we're going to add another column called sentiment, and we can set the rating number, which are labeled as 1, to be a positive sentiment review, and rating number is 0 to be a negative sentiment review. And then we're going to factorize that into 0 and 1, and that we can use to train our data. And after that, we also need to tokenize the review text, like transfer all the review text into a number. And after that, we also need to pad sequences the text and make them to pad the sentences to have an equal length. And after that, we're ready to build our model. And this is our model builder function. And we can print out the structure of our model, and this looks like this. And then we can start to train our model by using padded text and label the factorize the sentimental label. And we set the validation split to 0.02. After that, we can see finally we got the accuracy of 88%, and the validation accuracy is 75%. I also plot the accuracy of training data and the validation data, and also the loss of the training and the validation. And then we can set up a prediction function. And we need to make the prediction to be an integer, and based on the prediction integer to return the sentimental label, which is whether it's a positive or negative. And after that, we can try whether how good the performance of our model. So I put a review text here, and after we predict this review text, we can see that our model returns a negative result, which is correct. And after that, we can save our model as my model there H5 format. And then we're going to use the ngrok package to deploy our model to a website. So after this is the authorization key that I registered from the ngrok. So that doesn't matter, just run this code. And after that, we can also upload our HTML file to deploy the model. And after we upload the zip file and unzip this template file, and we can also see it right there, and there's a HTML file right here. And then we can run this HTML file and deploy our model in this HTML by using the Flask package. And after we run this, there is a website, right? URL right here. And if we click this, so I can run it here. Yeah, if we click, there is a safety alert, and we can just ignore that, and we can continue visit this on-site website, and we can reload a couple times. Yeah, and there is our website show up, and we can try a review here, and we click submit. The review is negative. The result is showing up here.